Hi everyone, I'm Roma and you're on the dr.cash channel. This is the first video in a series of videos about push traffic, and here we're gonna talk about the main differences between push and Facebook, how to choose a push network, and get acquainted with the top 3 networks. In the next video, I will provide detailed instructions on how to launch a campaign, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get started. So users who click on our links from push notifications represent push traffic. We get push traffic from push networks. Currently, the attitude towards push notifications is ambiguous. Some have long buried them, while others quietly and steadily earn from them. I become crazy when I get absolutely any notification other than messages from people I text with. Perhaps I should see a therapist, but that isn't the point. It's important to realize that we and our target audience are not the same. Therefore, it's important to realize that there are quite a number of real cashed up people who on their own subscribe to push notifications, and here we should focus on their own. That's the thing about the push database. It's not just stolen contacts, but real people who agree to the newsletter and respond to notifications. Let's talk about why pubs choose push rather than going to the endless source of abundance, Facebook. Firstly, simplicity of operation. Shortly, the whole algorithm of work with push notifications looks like this. Choose an offer, choose a push network, generate creatives, test, sort traffic sources into white and black ones, drive in the white ones, constantly expanding their list. There are no bans, no cloaking, no crackdowns, no search for quality consumables, no payment for additional tools except for the tracker. Launching a campaign is no more difficult than posting a photo on a social network. Another matter is for the campaign to be profitable. We discuss how to launch a campaign correctly in the next video. Secondly, cheap traffic. In addition to the fact that we don't spend on proxies, anti-detect browsers and accounts, so we also buy traffic at affordable prices. 1,000 clicks can cost us $10 or even $1 depending on geo. Thirdly, low entry threshold. You don't need a lot of money for launching. By depositing $50 into your account, you can safely spend them on advertising, while the Facebook security system may intervene at any moment. Fourth, restrictions. Of course, there is moderation and policy here, but they are not as strict as in Facebook. Fifth, fast ad verification. Depending on staff workload, our ads can be checked in less than half an hour in some network. And sixth, quick tests. Push traffic allows you to launch campaigns quickly, and an experienced publisher can evaluate their effectiveness in a relatively short period of time. Of course, there are nuances when working with push traffic. To begin with, not every advertiser welcomes push traffic. This is due to the way the push ad format is generally perceived by users, while Facebook offers us high-quality leads and audiences for any vertical targeting strategy. It should also be mentioned that targeting on push networks isn't as detailed as on Facebook. In addition to countries, regions and cities, we can select operating system versions, device types, models and languages. Before launching, which is also the subscription age, the most recent users are usually not crammed with ads yet and are more receptive to them and therefore at a premium. Some networks can offer retargeting and even interest targeting. To optimize campaigns, we use blacklists, groups of traffic sources that we exclude, and whitelists, those groups of sources from which leads come. To complete the picture, we cannot ignore Facebook's algorithms. They search the most suitable audience possible. There is no such a thing in push networks. We have to run manually, analyze and bring the campaign to a positive ROI. And of course, the main pain point for publishers is bot traffic. When working with push networks, you can easily run into bot traffic. And the problem here is not necessarily in the fact that the network tricks webmasters. The matter may be in unscrupulous sources that try to trick the network. In order to successfully launch campaigns and avoid any possible issues in work, it's necessary to approach the selection of an advertising network wisely. First of all, we pay attention to the coverage of both geo and number of people. Then, what's really more important, look at the traffic quality, so read reviews, write to chat rooms and study articles. The network has to fight with bot traffic. After that, we evaluate the functionality, the available ad formats, whether we can drive in iOS, targeting settings and other goodies. Payment formats can also vary, and somewhere you can find automated algorithms for selecting optimal bet. And of course, we look at the support team and the work of managers in general. After all, they have information. We can find out which offers are better in this or that geo. I have prepared the top 3 push networks especially for you. Let's get to know them better. PropellerAds. It was founded in 2011, currently offers us 120,370 impressions per second. That is more than 10 billion per day. There are more than 195 geos at our disposal. The network emphasizes the quality of traffic and uses the most advanced tools to fight bots. The ad formats are at your screen. In-pages can be called one of the pluses because thanks to them we can show ads on iOS. There are several payment models, but most interestingly, there are algorithms here that can optimize campaign costs for us, saving us time and money. Targeting. We have an extensive list of items at our disposal, plus the ability to choose interests. The highlight is the possibility of retargeting. The support team works 24/7. There is a chat and Telegram. Entrance fee is $100. And for our favorite viewers, here's a promo code. The next one is Tacoloco. The network was founded in 2019. They offer over 1 billion daily impressions in over 180 countries. Several formats. In-page push is also available. Several audience options at our disposal. Dating allows you to drive in explicit adult content. The payment model is CPC. As for targeting, there is a standard set of parameters plus ability to limit both on displays and clicks per one user. Support works 24/7 and has a lot of positive reviews on the internet. Moderation is relatively fast. Entrance fee is $100, and for our beloved subscribers, a promo code. Finally, EvaDav. The network was founded in 2018. They offer over 2 billion daily impressions and a subscriber base of over 300 million people. Advertising formats you see at the screen. Targeting is customizable by standard parameters. There are several payment models. As for creatives, there are some restrictions. You should familiarize yourself with them. Nudity is forbidden. Minimum entrance fee is $100. This network offers a very extensive list of payments. And of course, a promo code for our loyal subscribers. Our first video about push traffic has come to an end. In the next part, we will thoroughly analyze the launch of an advertising campaign. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and, of course, push the like button. I hope the video was useful for you. Wishing everyone a great mood and high ROI.